Today, everything runs on chips. Your phone, your car, your smartwatch, it all starts with the silicon brain which we're about to create. In this summer, at Namal University Center for AI and Big Data, we will take you into the adventures where you'll get ideas turning chips to digital brains. Participants will get a chance to attend technical sessions in chip design by leading industrial and academic tech giants in Pakistan. The chips you design could power the next generation of smartphones, AI systems, or devices. The school will focus open hardware and software stack for low-level digital design programming and FPGA-based hardware acceleration, harnessing Namal chip design cluster facility, understanding processor architecture, integration techniques, building basic prototypes with hands-on experience in state-of-the-art labs at Namal University, Mianwali. Heat up your skills while the sun is blazing and join us in Namal University, Mianwali and start building the tech that powers everything around us.